What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Breaking Down Volatility 51S and 25-1S. Now, today is Saturday the 20th, but the video I'm recording for is from Friday the 19th of September. That's the price action that I'm going to recap. So let's get into it. So yesterday, which was this candle, starting with volatility 25-1S. This was yesterday's candle. Went up with tightening the range. So I'm wondering if we're going to break up or we're going to break down. But let us see. So we've been stuck inside this range for a little while now. So we actually went straight up here and came right back down to here on yesterday's price action. So we open right here, manipulate to the downside, come to this order block right here, and then we went straight back up. Hit this premium level as well as this supply zone and came right back down to consolidate here. We close here, and this is Saturday's price action starting from around here. So on the 1 hour time frame, it's pretty much the same thing. We went to equilibrium here. We didn't get all the way to this order block and we came back down to discount here. So this is it down here, back up here, close right here. So let's get into the opportunities that were presented to us on the lower time frame. So this is volatility 25-1S. So we opened right here, went up, come down, we created this order block right here, and we could have taken a buy from this zone right here, and we went straight up to this OB and sold from that order block, come all the way back down to here before we get a small reaction. So we came to this small order block demand level and we got a small buy here. Didn't get much reaction, but decent enough where you could get at least a one-to-one type of situation. So let me start using the annotation tool. So we could have entered in this zone right here, caught this. I didn't even mark that one right there. And for the second one, we could have caught another buy, induced this low, and we went straight up to here. And then we sold from this zone, which is a fair value gap here. This fair value gap here, we rejected from, and we sold all the way back down to this level right here. Now, this could have been an entry to right here using this candle as an order block, but I wasn't even paying attention to it. So that is what took place right there. I took a sell right here, but I just came out for like a couple dollars right here. That was one of the trades yesterday. Yeah, so we went back up, came back down again. Could have used this as a breaker, but not the cleanest price action, so I wouldn't take any of those trades. And we just consolidated until we went straight up back to this order block. We came back and tested this. Now, this could have been a valid entry right here, giving us at least probably about 1 to 1.5 thereabout, depending on how tight you set your stop and your entry technique. This is another one right here for a buy, and then this is another one for a sell, coming all the way down, selling from this zone right here. Came all the way back down and then we closed right around here. Then you could have taken this buy, but depending on how you entered, it possibly would have stopped you out. So that was the price action for yesterday on volatility 25S. Now, we're pretty much halfway through, more than halfway through the day. So this is Saturday's price action. I took a sell here and I got out right around here. Regrettably, but I'm just trying to build up this account. I soon start rolling some of these trades a little better. But that's for the next episode. So that is it for volatility 25 1S. Now let's go to volatility 51S, and we pretty much reverse all of the price action from the previous day. So we had the buy going up. That would have been Thursday and Friday. We just manipulated to the upside and we just sold right back down. So the manipulation started right here. As soon as we opened, we went straight up to this 4-hour supply level and we just sold right back down. Now today, it looks like a small range. I'm not seeing much action. I'm not seeing much action today. I took a few scalp trades already, which I'm going to go over. But we just went straight up and then we just slowly just stair step melted all the way back down. Now, there were quite a few opportunities to enter there. Let me go over them on trading view. So we hit the higher time frame order block. As you can see, the 4-hour order block that I pointed out. So you could have caught some sells, could have managed to catch some sells, as well as some buys. So this buy is from this tiny order block here, right around here. Then we came back, traded into this fair value gap, and this could have been a sell opportunity also. So we could have sold from this one right here. Let me switch to another one. This could have been another opportunity for a sell using here, setting the stops there, and this could have been a nice sell. This also was another one. And these trades, depending on where and how you got in, you could have basically held for the whole day. So this was another sell opportunity right here. This is another one here. Could have sold right there and held this trade to here. And where I set the TP is because of, I know you can have a reaction back to the upside. But if you're following the higher time frame order flows, you don't necessarily have to get out of these trades. You just go break even. Or if your target has been hit, then you exit. Now, you could have held this trade all the way down. You came all the way down to here, coming all the way down to here. So this was another entry opportunity right around here, and we just went melted down. So we have quite a few opportunities. The price action isn't the cleanest, but still, because sometimes you get some straight drops, but this was consolidating, and as I say, just zigzag, stair step, drop, drop, stair step down. So there were opportunities to enter. But that is pretty much it for volatility 51S. There was another buy opportunity right around here. And this would have been Saturday's price action. So Saturday started around here, 7 p.m. And there were quite a few opportunities to buy, which I'm going to go over in the next episode. So that is about it for today's episode. We'll catch you on the other one tomorrow.